Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about affiliate marketing. So in affiliate marketing, you can earn up to $1,000 to $2,000 to $5,000 to $10,000. There is no limit in affiliate marketing, and you can earn as much as you can. So in this video I will not move to the screen, but I will tell you in front of camera that what is actually affiliate marketing and how you can earn and what are the most authentic platforms. Number one, I will talk about the platform. Number one is FIVERR affiliates. I have made a playlist on FIVERR affiliates. You can check in my playlist. But what is FIVERR affiliates? You can earn $15 per task or $150 per task. If you promote some freelancers to someone, you will earn commission. So you can earn without any investment or without any kind of inventory. So number two, you can join DG Store 24. DG Store 24 is a affiliate program as well. You can join it and you can earn up to $1,000 to $5,000 up to you commission in DG Store 24. I have made a playlist on DG Store 24. You can check it as well. Okay, so the number three platform is Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates means Amazon affiliates. You will go to the Amazon, as like you know, Amazon is a world's biggest e-commerce platform which is called Amazon Associates as a affiliates. You can join Amazon Associates as a affiliate marketer, and you can promote Amazon's products, and whenever someone buy product from your affiliate link, you will get commission. So number four is ClickBank. ClickBank is a affiliate platform. You can join ClickBank, same as Digistore 24, and you will promote their products, and definitely you will get commission after someone when someone will buy from your affiliate link. Number five is Impact.com. Impact.com is a world's biggest affiliates marketplace, and you can check and you can promote multiple brands in one roof, and definitely whenever you promote multiple products at same time, you will earn more commissions and you will get more sales. So Impact.com is the fifth platform and the world's biggest platform. So these are the five platforms which I have shared with you. So without wasting the time, you can join any platform which you like. I have already made a video on Impact.com as well. You can check it. So these are the five platforms which you can utilize, and you can earn money online without any kind of investment, without any kind of inventory, and definitely you will earn money online. So make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon and start from today. So take care now, and I'll meet you in the next video.